Okay, this is about a half an hour later, and the worm attack, or whatever that thing is, it's not quite a worm, it's more like a larvae, is going on. But as I get closer, look, as I get closer, the ants are already on me and biting me. I mean, these guys are nasty. Look at that. It's like they know that I'm standing here and they turn towards me and come towards me. So this thing is still going on over there, and this larvae is putting up a, it's like a silkworm kind of, looks like a jeez, these ants are having a real go at me. So every time you see the camera move, it's me trying to get the ants off my feet. So the question is, will the ants eventually give up? Will they realize that they bit off more than they can chew? Let me try another angle. Look at this bugger. Look at this guy biting into my foot. Okay, so here's a little ant that somehow crawled onto my, onto my hand. And he's biting into me. This is one of these guys that are getting into that worm. Ow! Look at him. Look at him go. Can't focus on it. Just hit. Losing grip on the phone here. There we go. He's just biting everywhere. He's just going around biting everywhere he can. I wonder what he's thinking. Like, what does he think that this is that he's biting into? He's really having a go at my skin there. He thinks this is a big feast coming up. This guy lost one of his antlers, or am I just not seeing it properly? Yeah, he's getting through my skin there. He's getting into it. Wow. Look at that. I brushed him with my thumb, and that doesn't even scare him or deter him. Ow. That's a sensitive spot. Come on, focus. Ow, 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 ow. That was quite sensitive there. Yeah. Wow, those pincers are strong. Oh, mandibles, or whatever you call these things that ants have. Ow, wow, that was a big bite. Wow, he's really going for it. Ow. Really going for it there on the tip of my finger. Where are you? Okay. Had enough. Let's see how our worm is doing down there. Has the worm stopped fighting? It looks like it. Looks like the ants have won. Okay, this is now another hour, maybe an hour and a half later, and let's see what's happened to our worm. It's completely covered by ants, and looks like much of the worm is gone, or it's probably about 1/3 of it is gone. Can't even see it, there's so many ants there. So that's what's happening in the one corner of the courtyard here. And then on the way to the car, under the tree, we found another something being eaten by ants. I'll show you. It seems like these ants here are serious predators. Anything that falls down, anything that's alive gets consumed. So let me show you. Here's our car, and on the way to the car, my beautiful wife pointed out that something else is being eaten right there. And I looked, and it's a little baby bird that fell out of a nest right above us. It's a tiny little baby bird. I'm not sure what kind of bird, but that's all that remains of it. I remember reading a book, or seeing a book many years ago, not reading it, The Planet of the Ants. If you compare the amount of ants there are on Earth, probably to any other species, I guess it's probably quite a true statement that we live on a planet of the ants. Alright, that's as much as I can hold. I'm getting tired. Very shaky, as you can see. I wasn't ready for this National Geographic documentary classic. So I'm going to stop this now and go and have some breakfast. Until later, it's Michael Tellinger on a very exciting adventure out in the country near Rustenburg, South Africa.